Go fish. But oh hey, how you doing? It's nice to see you again. Welcome back to the amazing Junkyard of wonderful stuff. I'm Handy Dan the Junkyard Man, and this is my homemade sidekick, Junkbot. Yeah, isn't he great? And since it's been raining cats and dogs outside in the junkyard for several days now, I decided to teach Junkbot a thing or two of the old classic card game, Go Fish. Oh, wow! The rain has finally stopped! We could go outside after we finish this game! Okay, you asked me if I had any threes. I didn't have any. Junkbot, you gotta pick your cards now. Go fish. Hello? Junkbot, go fish. Oh, come on, Junkbot, get with the program. I didn't mean it literally. The game is called Go Fish. Come on, what am I doing? Well, the rain has finally stopped here in the amazing Junkyard of wonderful stuff, and Junkbot and I just saw an amazing sight. That's right, a rainbow, and on St. Patrick's Day. Can you believe that timing? Oh boy! What is a rainbow, you ask? Well, a rainbow is an arc of color in the sky that can be seen when sun shines through fallen rain. A rainbow is created when white light is bent while entering a droplet of water, split into separate colors and reflected back. A rainbow is round, like a circle. Wow, it certainly looked magical hovering over Mount Tyre and Refrigerator Canyon, didn't it, Junkbot? Yeah, and the sad fact is that rainbows are rare, and they don't last that long. So I thought of this really nifty idea that you could make your very own rainbow using simple ingredients you could just find around your own home and put into a jar or a container. And put away that cuckoo clock icon, Junkbot, because I'm not crazy. First, we're gonna need some food coloring, some vegetable oil, some blue dish soap, some rubbing alcohol using blue and red food coloring to make purple, some water with green food coloring, some corn syrup with red food coloring, and some honey. Well, you like honey, don't you? Well, you like honey on toast with peanut butter? Would you rather eat the honey instead of making the project? How about I just add some vinegar instead? Well, to understand that gag, folks, you must watch episode 1, Homemade Rocket Ship. You're also going to need one empty bottle or container. First, we're going to start with the honey, and we're going to slowly pour it into the bottom of the container. Next, we're going to take our corn syrup and pour a little amount on top of the honey. Then we're going to take our blue dish soap and pour a little bit on top of the corn syrup. Then we're going to take our water, and then we're going to pour it on top of the dish soap. Next, we're going to take our vegetable oil and pour it on top of the water. Next, we're going to take our purple rubbing alcohol and we're going to pour it on top of the vegetable oil. Look at that, the rubbing alcohol goes underneath the vegetable oil. Next, we're going to seal it up. Look at that, our very own rainbow in a container. You see, each liquid has a different thickness, a different weight. And you know what that's called? Density, correct. So the honey is a liquid with the most density, so gravity will take control, thus sending it straight to the bottom. It's thick, it sticks to everything, and it tastes good on toast and butter. Sometimes science is truly amazing, isn't it? Almost magical. Well, that's all the time we have for today. We hope you enjoyed your visit here at the amazing Junkyard of wonderful stuff. I'm Handy Dan the Junkyard Man, wishing you a very happy St. Patrick's Day, and that one person's trash can be another person's adventure. Bye!